Hi, welcome to K7 Trading Lab. Let's see our indicators charts to take a good trade. On expiry day, monthly expiry day, Nifty, Bank Nifty, we experience the gap down and try to pull back from that point. And we have seen bearishness. And at our pivot points, it's try to recover from that point. And again, we have seen clear bearishness in the afternoon section. Same thing we can see in our indicator. Try to recover from that point, and we have seen the bearishness, and we have a high-low indicator. So if market is bouncing back from particular point, we can have an early indications. So it will show the bullishness from the low level. So if same thing we can see in Ichimoku, so it's an we can take a good decision, and we have an indexes with the pivot points. So we have Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex with the pivot points, and important symbols with watchlist. We have the pivot points and the symbols with watchlist. So same charts we can see in at right hand side, and the symbols with pivot points. So and we have Qs and QS. So to make an trader to be a disciplined while trading, and we have an given amount will be scored in the it helps to for an it helps trader to take a good decision while trading. I think our indicator charts helps trader to be a disciplined trader. I think it's useful. If you feel the same, please subscribe.